You are going to love the 2018 Enclave. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, alloy wheels, remote engine start, xenon headlights, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, anti-lock braking system, fog lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, airbags, front, center, keyless entry, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, premium sound system, steering wheel audio controls.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.